अगर हम ये सारा व्यवहार एकदम से फिर उसी पे चले जाएंगे जो दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी में था, मान लीजिए एकदम से चले जाएंगे, तो वेव फिर दोबारा जल्दी आएगा वायरस और ऊंचाई तक जाएगा। इसको हम धीरे 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 अपना बिहेवियर को एडजस्ट करेंगे, टाइट्रेट करेंगे, टाइट रोप वॉक करेंगे, तो वेव छोटी भी होगी, शायद ना भी आए और आगे चलती जाएगी। कहने का मतलब यह है कि वी हैव टू बाय टाइम, एंड वी वांट टू बाय टाइम particularly to ensure that we achieve a high coverage of our vaccination. That's the time we want to buy. And that is the duration of intense discipline that we want to exercise. And that's my appeal today, using a different route of arguments and suggestion and logic. We need to buy time till we, at the soonest possible time, are able to vaccinate large population, and in the meanwhile continue to enforce the tools that my colleague showed just now: testing, tracking, isolation, self-discipline, wearing mask, avoiding gatherings, avoiding parties, eating together in large groups, and so on and so forth. And of course, system preparedness to face the difficult situation. So remember that the journey is still tough and we have to be responsible. This situation is the result of efforts, and these efforts need to be continued in a calibrated way for us to open up, to try to go back, but at the same time not to allow the virus to overtake us. Coming to second point, on vaccination, you had an update here just now. I just noticed that from the data, which is in public domain again, Our World in Data, many of you see it, my team gives this data to me from time to time. What I am noticing today is that India, in terms of number of people who received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, let me repeat, number of people who received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, as per this data sheet updated yesterday or last night, India has administered, according to this data sheet, you know the official number, 17.2 crore doses. India, 17.2 crore doses according to this data system.